Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 117.58 points, that is 0.16%, and settled at 72,987.03 points. Nifty 50 is down by 17.30 points, that is 0.08%, and settled at 22,200.55 points. Bank Nifty is down by 172.00 points, that is 0.36%, and settled at 47,687.45 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 482.55 points, that is 50,707.75 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 94.30 points, that is 0.58%, and settled at 16,457.45 points. Paradeep Phosphates Limited Quarter 4 net profit 204 million rupee versus 95 million rupee year-on-year. Quarter 4 EBITDA 1.5 billion rupee versus 906 million rupee year-on-year. EBITDA margin 6.6% versus 2.49% year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. The shares opened at 1,426 rupees, marking a 55% surge over its issue price of 920 rupees on the National Stock Exchange. On the Bombay Stock Exchange, the stock opened at 1,380 rupees, a premium of 50% over its issue price. Cipla promoters Shireen Hamid, Raman Hamid, Samina Hamid and Okasa Pharma together sold 2.53% stake. Entire promoter group continues to hold 31.67% stake. Promoter group sold stake to create liquidity for specific needs including philanthropy. Accident at Kolihan copper mine in Rajasthan on 14th May. Rope snapping and collision of cage a pit bottom buffer resulted in the accident. 1 person killed and 14 suffered serious injury. Taking all steps to bring normalcy and resume operations. Rane Holdings Quarter 4 net profit 314 million rupee versus loss 189 million rupee year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Clean Science Quarter 4 net profit 12.8% at 70.2 crore rupees versus 81 crore rupees year-on-year. Revenue up 5% at 227.5 crore rupees versus 216.8 crore rupees year-on-year. EBITDA down 10.1% at 94.4 crore rupees versus 105 crore rupees year-on-year. Margin at 41.5% versus 48.4% year-on-year. Clean Science and Technology Board recommend final dividend of 3 rupee per share. Investors who have not linked their PAN and Aadhaar will no longer be categorized as KYC on hold. Individuals who had not validated their mobile number or email, or failed to link their PAN and Aadhaar, or had some other deficiencies in the documents they had submitted, were classified as on hold. Such investors are currently unable to transact at all. Investors who had used a document other than the Aadhaar for verification have been classified as registered. These investors can continue to transact in mutual funds they had already invested in but can't create new folios. That is, they are unable to invest in mutual fund schemes they are currently not invested in. And finally, those that have validated their KYC using Aadhaar are classified as KYC validated and can transact normally. In a recent conference call, the Association of Mutual Funds in India clarified that 93% of the investors were either validated or registered, while 3% were on hold. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.